How to turn off precise location on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off precise location on Opera Mini. First we're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click Opera icon here and click this one, settings, and then go down until you find this one, uh, data collection, and here you will find precise location and click on it if you want to turn it off. And as you see, precise location has been turned it off, and that's how to turn off precise location on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.